Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Matasya Pusaputri. Today I want to tell you about my journey. When I was in elementary school, I managed to be among the top students. Then in junior high school, I aimed to be one of the best again. When I moved to a new school in 8th grade, I tried once more to be at the top. However, I realized it wasn't easy for me to achieve that goal. In 9th grade, I decided that from that point on, I want to focus on improving myself and become better in the future. I understood that success requires patience, effort, and consistency. And right now, I am in high school. I am still working on becoming better and better. I have learned many things, including public speaking. This skill has significantly improved during my time in high school. And in addition, I have developed good social skills that have helped me to expand my network of relationship. I still have strong hopes to grow and achieve my goals. That's all for me.